So, good afternoon, students. The topic of our presentation is accommodation operations. Subject name, and the topic is different types of equipments used in housekeeping and their inventories. With the starting this, housekeeping inventories refer to the stocks of purchased operating supplies, equipments, and other items held for future use in housekeeping operations. There are two types of housekeeping inventories. First one is recycled and second one is non-recycled. No, so recycled inventories are those items and piece of equipment that have relatively limited useful lives but are used over and over again. Example, cleaning equipment and other machine, linen, uniforms, and guest room items, etc. Now, second one is non-recycled items inventories, that is includes used up during the course of routine housekeeping operation. Examples of cleaning supplies, cleaning agents, and small piece of equipment. Okay. Anyone have any question till now in this PPT? Sorry, this slide.
No, sir.
Anyone have any question?
No, sir.
So in the hotels, in the housekeeping department, we have to write down what the things we have. You can do is divided in two parts. The first thing is which we use continuously daily and kept with us. The second one is which is one time use. Okay, so recycled में जो है, like we have equipments, we have a linen, we have a uniforms. Okay, we have a different types of towels, different types of bed sheets. Okay, different types of another clothes. Okay, so we have to take an inventory. For example, we have given to the laundry the 10 bed sheets. Okay, solid bed sheets, and get the new one. So the hotel have to maintain this record. Okay, we have a disposables things or one time using, that is chemicals. How much quantity we do have the chemicals. Okay, for cleaning, how much quantity we have a gas supplies, like shower gel, bath gel, and hand soap, toothpaste, toothbrush, loofah, and shampoo. Okay, cleaning shaving kit, etc. So these things are a one time use, so we have to take an inventory on the daily basis or the weekly basis. ठीक है, तो ऐसा ना हो कि we are maintaining the record कि हम डेली यूज कर रहे हैं और जो है हमारे रूम्स उतने बुक ही नहीं हो रहे. ठीक है, so this types of things happen when the pilferage is done by the staff or any other member. Now there are many cleaning equipments. Okay, the first is brushes. In the brushes, they include hard brushes and soft brushes. So hard brushes used for removing heavy soil from carpets, from the hard end of surfaces, hard floors, and soft brushes we have used uh, for removing soil, hard smooth surfaces such as carpet and furniture. Okay, we do not use the hard brush to the lightweight mats. Okay, and The software used only for dry spaces. Okay, लाइक जैसे हम इसको साफ करते हैं, वॉल्स को साफ करते हैं, या एलईडी स्टैंड है. ओके, सो साइड टेबल्स हैं. ठीक है, हार्ड सॉफ्ट ब्रशेस यूज ओनली फॉर दोज थिंग्स. सो ब्रशेस कैन बी क्लासिफाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर फंक्शंस. ठीक है, एंड देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ब्रशेस, जैसे टॉलिश ब्रश, बॉटल ब्रशेस, क्लोथ ब्रशेस, टेक स्क्रबर्स. ठीक है, carpet brushes, upholstery brushes, feather brushes, hearth brushes, okay, glue brush. So you may see all the pics of particular brush. Anyone have any question till now? Now, next is brooms. Brooms consist of long bristles gathered together and inserted into one long handle. It is of following types. That is, first one is soft bristled brooms. Next is hard coarse bristled brooms, wall brooms, and box sweepers. ठीक है, brooms, you know ना what is broom? प्रशांत, प्रशांत, आशमीन, 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 Ashdeep.
Yes, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. What is broom?
Groom. I think groom is very important for to clean the surface, like
What is broom?
Okay, what is groom?
Hmm.
सर झाड़ू.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. You may ask the I request to everyone. You may ask the questions. ठीक है. तभी क्लियर हो पाएगा क्या क्या चीज है. Now, different types of brooms are there. Now there is a mop.
सर पोचा.
Yes, the dry mop, mop sweeper, wet mop, polish applicator mop, squeezer. Okay. ये हो गया आपके different types of mops. Now, different types of clothes used for cleaning. Duster and cloth mints, swabs and wipes, floor cloth, glass cloth, rags and polished cloth. ठीक है, we have to use the different cloth for different work. ठीक है, so we did not do the things like जो हम फ्लोर पे यूज कर रहे हैं वही अब उसी से हम अपना वॉल साफ कर रहे हैं, उसी से हम जो है मिरर साफ कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, so we have to use a different cloth for different things. The quality of fabric is different. ठीक है, some fabric is very soaky, ठीक है, जब जैसे वाइप है तो उसके साथ उसे हम सोक कर लेगा वो. Some are dry, ठीक है. So then next we required containers. Okay, so what is that? It's hand candies, janitor trolleys, mop bringer trolley, maid carts, room attendant carts, or we called as a trolley. Okay, so this thing is the bigger one, yellow trolley is maid cart trolley. Okay, the smaller one is ringer trolley. So we have to settle all the things on the trolley. Okay, if you are seeing the side bag, this is yellow bag, that is for solid linen. Okay, now this is a small diagrams and list which we used during the settlement of ringer trolley. We have a water tumblers and trays, water bottles, jugs, ashtray, matchbox, swimming kit. Okay, there are many things. Please read down. Anyone have any question till now? Read this and let me know if anyone have any question.
No, sir.
No from Shinwami. Next, anyone? Next is cleaning mechanical equipment. You have seen a vacuum cleaner, different types of vacuum cleaners. Anyone have any questions till now? Sukham. Sukham. Ashmin. Ashmin. Anish. Anish.
Sir,
Anish, speak loudly. Hello. Anish, you have any question? Okay. Now cleaning mechanical equipment, that is scrubber. Okay. So in the public areas like big lobbies, banquets outside in the gardens. Okay. So they are using the scrubber machines to scrub. Okay. It is does not possible manually to scrub the wall floor. Okay. So that's why they use the mechanical scrubber. It is a floor care accessories that comes with handheld electrically operated scrubber. It is used where only mopping does not sufficient. It can scrub stubborn and sticky stains on the floors of cafeterias, restaurants, lobbies, and fitness areas where the people can take food and beverages. We also include the pool areas, okay, the outside of the banquet areas, etc. Now, next is mechanical equipment such as high pressure washer that is also used for cleaning of outside areas of the hotels, okay, like the cemented area of the garden, outside area of the banquets, the pools areas. Okay. It is a design to remove soilage by subjecting the surface to water, steam, or sand under pressure. Water under high pressure physically dislodges the dust. The process can be assisted by the use of hot water, steam, or sand. Okay. Anyone have any question till now?
No, sir.
Now next is scarifying machine. They are meant to remove heavy grease, mud, and thick deposits from the surface. This is used when the simple scrubbing machine is not effective. Here the dirt deposits are broken by the chisels like action of wire brush and cutting tool. Okay? So there are some of the stains on the floors which required a more cleaning. Okay? Normal scrubber is not effective on this. Okay? Mostly the grease, might be the car oil, etc. I will show you one video regarding the same. Watch the video carefully. So guys, you have seen the videos which is meant for the changes of cleaning after the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so this is a very important. So we will continue the same topic in our next lecture. Okay, thank you so much, everyone.